Hey guys, welcome to another video with your host Firestone, and today we will be going over how to install a Minecraft server. So first thing we're going to start out here is the normal vanilla Minecraft server. So as you can see here, oh wow, they came out with 1.19, that was fast. As you can see here, there's download Minecraft server 1.19 and run it with the following command. So as you can see here, there is this here, which we will get into here in a bit. So, we're going to download it. Yeah, we're going to download the server. We're going to keep paying, just download the stupid thing already. Stupid. Anyway. Get to downloads folder here. And we're going to not highlight everything, but move it out here. So, first you want to create a folder and call it whatever you want. It can be anything. I'm just going to call it demo. We're going to open it here and double click here. As you can see, everything is installing. And if you get an error indicating that you do not have anything related to Java, one thing you want to do is make sure you download the latest version of Java, which whenever you download Java, make sure it's at a Java-oriented website, like https://java.com. And you need to make sure you download Java JDK, which, yeah, it can be labeled as C. So yeah, you have to download this as well. So let's look here. As you can see here, we have our files. So once you click on this, a screen should pop up. Actually, before you do that, you want to go in here and change this to true. This is basically their agreement. It won't do anything if that's false. As you can see here, you are going to get this screen. But there is an issue though. This screen here only runs 1 GB of RAM. So you cannot change it, unfortunately. So you actually are going to have to do something else if you want to dedicate more RAM to your Minecraft server. Dedicating more RAM can increase the amount of players and etc. Well, you can always change the amount of players you want on the server anyway, but there is an actual recommended, there's a recommended limit. Like 2 GB of RAM can allow you to invite 20 players to the server without any issue. And obviously your CPU plays a part in it too. So we are going to stop this server, and after it is done, it will automatically close out. So in order to dedicate more RAM, what you want to do is we're going to slide this into here. So in this file, this is the command you're going to want to run. So after you've done that, save. Well, actually, before we start that, where it says XMX and SMS, this is how much millibytes of RAM you're going to dedicate to this. So this is 4 gigabytes of RAM here. It's going to start out with 1024, which is your default. So, yeah. So let's hit Files, Save As, switch this to All Files, and then where it says TXT, you want to switch this to BAT, which will save it as a batch file. And here we are. This is our Windows batch file. And obviously I failed to do something. So, yeah, it's going to give you an error. And the reason why this pops up is because if you see here, I have put here pause. Because that way, if there is an error, that it will pause before Xing out. So if I was to, actually, I'll have to go here, right click and hit edit. If I was to remove this and save it, what would happen is there will be, once I run this, it's not going to run because, yeah, reasons. So let's put pause back in. So yeah, if there is a command here that says Java, so on and so forth, you're going to want to hit Control and copy this, and then whenever you go to create your batch file, you want to edit with Notepad and paste this. Now, with that being there now, whenever I go to run it, we want to make it so it runs server.jar. I think what we have to do here is switch this to server delete the 9.jar. There we go. So yeah, unfortunately it's not going to pop up as the same white screen as you normally would with a normal computer, or as with the normal server, but yeah, you're going to stick to this. So yeah, that's how you run your server. So let's stop the server, and we are going to go over a few things. Of course, it did not save. Typical. Here we go. So, a few things to note about Minecraft servers is the server will not run if the computer's in sleep mode. So, if you're hosting a server and you want to keep it up, you're probably going to want to switch that setting to never go into sleep mode. Which, yeah, you can do that under settings and display settings. And yep, like I said, 1 gigabyte is the equivalent of 1024 millibytes. So yeah, that is all we're going to say here. I hope you all enjoyed. My name's Firestone. Subscribe to me if you haven't, and I will be doing separate videos on how to run a server with plugins and a modded server. So yeah, I will see y'all later. Peace out.